My name is Palista Shrestha, and I will be presenting my web development portfolio website for my assignment. Here, I will be taking you through each page, explaining the designs or choices that I have made, the layouts that I have prepared, and the stylings that I have applied. Starting off with the first page, the home page. Here I wanted to give a very clear and welcoming introduction. At the top bar we can see the navigation bar using the nav tag, which links to all the other pages. Here is home, project, contact, video, and reports. I made it with responsive hamburger menu for mobile devices, so it works well on the smaller screens as well. Here I have also used a clean font and a consistent color scheme to make the page easy to read and visually appealing. At the bottom we can see there's a small tagline describing the purpose of my site. I used Flexbox to the center the content both vertically and horizontally, ensuring it scales nicely on different screen sizes. Now moving on to the next page, which is the project page. This page showcases the placeholder images of the project of my projects. I use the grid layout here because it allows me to display multiple projects neatly in rows and also columns. Each grid item has some spacing, hover effects, and I have made it very interactive. I also made sure that the grid adjusts to different screens here, so on the smaller devices, the project stack vertically. I wanted this page to demonstrate not just my projects but also my ability to create the complex layouts using the CSS grid, which is different from the Flexbox layout used on the home page. After this project page, I have the contact page. This contact page contains my contact information and a functional form we can see here. Since we are not using a server-side processing form, this form is made to set up the mail to link to open the user's default email client. I have also added the input fields for the user names, their email, and their short message. There's also a submit button. The goal was to make it user-friendly and professional looking. We can submit our messages here. Now moving on to the next page, which is the video demo page. Here I embedded a video using iframe so that the users can view my demonstration directly on the website. The iframe is responsive, meaning that it resizes automatically depending on the device screen. So it is very helpful for the small devices as well. I have also included the fallback link to the video for anyone who wants to watch it in the full screen. Now moving on to my final page, which is the report page. Here, this page contains a reflective discussion about my learning experience during this module. I wrote about both my technical challenges and my designs decisions that I've made. In this site report website, I have included screenshots from the HTML CSS validation tools to show that the code meets the web standards. Here we can see the HTML and CSS validation screenshots. I have also added links to my resources and inspiration that influenced my design, and I've included the URL to this video demonstration so that it's all in one place. Throughout the development process, I uploaded all my code to GitHub regularly. I made at least 5 meaningful commits on separate dates, documenting my progress and tracking my changes. This not only helped me manage my project efficiently, but also showed my understanding version control. Thank you for watching my portfolio website demonstration for my assignment.